Be a quick unboxing video of a Sharps Berdan that I purchased from Midway USA. I got this for one of my hobbies for living history. I'm just curious to see what I ended up getting, how well it was packed, and just check it out up close. Never actually handled one of these. They're new made reproductions, so be interested to see how it looks. Before I start opening this up, if you'd like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe and sign up for alerts. Should have some more projects coming out as well as some new acquisitions. So without further ado, let's check out what I got. Looks like it's packaged up pretty well. Looks like it's a box inside a box, so I'll go ahead and push that box out. All right, so inside of the box was just this box right here. Looks like it's a original manufacturer box. You can see here's the manufacturer, Pedersoli, made in Italy. Make a lot of these black powder rifles and pistols. I'll go ahead and pop this open. You can see here it's got a cardboard piece right over it. And when you open it up, you can see it's packed pretty well. We've got a little manual here to see what's inside of this. And of course it comes in this cardboard sleeve right here. Go ahead and close this up. And it looks like got out of the plastic, looks pretty good. It's got a really nice stock to it. It's got a serial number here on the tang. And it comes oiled, likely to make sure it doesn't rust while it's in storage. It's got a pretty good looking finish on it. Got a patch box back here. Got its adjustable rear sight. Looking in the box here, the accessories comes with this little wrench. Not really sure what this is for. It's got these two little holes on it. I'm sure I'll figure it out when I start looking at the rifle more and see what that goes with. If you know what this goes with, feel free to drop it in the comments, but look forward to finding out. Hammer works pretty well. Putting the breech, opens pretty smoothly. And testing the action, the hammer falls pretty easily. I went ahead and eased it down. You don't want to dry fire this without a cap, any kind of percussion rifle or rifled musket, because eventually you could cause the little nipple for the cap to get basically mushroomed out and it won't fit the caps properly. It's got some sling swivels on it. So overall I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty good. I can't wait to kind of get into this and take it to the range, put some rounds down range. So it's just a quick unboxing video. If you have any questions about this, feel free to drop it in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching.